Hi! In front of me is Vivo V23 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access your keyboard and click on this gear icon next to three dots. Then select theme and now you can choose show mode to see all available ones. Tap on the best one for you. Click on the key borders to switch them on or off and tap on apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed, but if you wish to customize it, you can do that by clicking on this gear icon, choosing theme again, but this time tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, and finally click on done. Lastly, manage key borders by tapping on the switcher, select apply and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!